In today's video, I am going to teach you how to delete images from Constant Contact Library. This is a quick process, but I will walk you through it slowly so you know exactly what to click and what to expect along the way. To begin, make sure you are signed in to your Constant Contact account and you are looking at the main dashboard. Along the top of the screen, you will see the navigation menu. Find the option labeled Library and click it. The library is where Constant Contact stores the images you have uploaded and used for emails, templates, and other content. Opening it first is important because image deletion is managed from inside this area. Once you are in the library, take a moment to locate the image or images you want to remove. You will see your images displayed as thumbnails, and each one has a small checkbox in its upper left corner. Click the checkbox for the image you want to delete. If you need to remove more than one image, continue checking the box on each thumbnail you want to include. This selection step matters because the delete option only appears after Constant Contact knows which items you have chosen. After you have selected your image or images, look toward the top toolbar on the page. You should now see a delete button that looks like a trash can icon. Click that delete button. This action tells Constant Contact you want to remove the selected items, but it does not delete them immediately. It will prompt you to confirm, which helps prevent accidental removal. A confirmation window will appear with an option to finalize the deletion. Click Delete Items to confirm. After you confirm, Constant Contact will remove the images from your library. As a practical tip, pause briefly before confirming to make sure you selected the correct thumbnails, especially if multiple images look similar. Also remember that deleting an image from the library means it will no longer be available to insert into future emails or designs, so it is a good idea to keep a copy saved on your computer if you think you might need it again later. That covers everything you need to know.